Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we will make raw mango juice, an amazing energy boost drink. For that we need a medium size raw mango. I have cut the raw mango to small pieces like this. We need a small piece of green chilli, small piece of ginger, few mint leaves, salt, sugar, we need some ice cubes and cold water. Now take the mixer grinder jar, add raw mangoes, a small piece of green chilli, ginger, few pieces of mint leaves, 2 small teaspoons of sugar, little salt. Now we can add cold water and grind it. You can add more water and grind it until it is less thick so that we can filter it easily. Now the juice is ready. And we can take a glass and filter it. We can add some ice cubes. Now the juice is ready. You should definitely try this juice. It is very refreshing drink. Hope you like this video. Please share your comments and subscribe to our channel for more travel and food videos. Thank you.